Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the country and how to change the language of the Egyptair application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the menu icon down below, scroll down until you find the settings button down below. First of all, tap on country and select a country from this list. So just simply tap on the relevant button and it will be changed automatically, as you can see. After that, click on language and then tap on the language button. As you can see, the default language is English. So tap on the checkmark icon down below to save all these changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.